So how do I know that it's giving me right answers? How can I measure that in some sort of quantitative and empirical way? We started out very simple in the MVP. Let's just manually log. Logged, we created a table, and what it was is 3 columns. And then the first column is, what did you ask it? What was the prompt? The second column was, what did it say? What was your answer? And the third column was it helpful or not? And explain. And real basic stuff, right? But every time they asked a customer service question, they just cut and pasted it in there. When it returned an answer, they cut and pasted it in there. And then after the fact, when they had a little bit more time and could be reflective about it, they said, that was a good answer. This was kind of a good answer. This was a good answer. That was a terrible answer. It should have been this. That question and answer pair is a really good way to fine tune the weights in the model. And where I see that evolving to beyond an MVP is that the system in a more traditional structured SQL type database is automatically doing that for you. So as you ask a question, it's already inserting a row in a SQL database of this is the question. When the AI returns a response, you're already capturing that response in the next column in the SQL table row that this was the response. And then for the user, they have a thumbs up or a thumbs down that they can hit in the user interface to grade it, and then maybe provide a note if it's a thumbs down of what they think the answer should have been.